Hey guys, this is how to change the oil in a 2013 Jeep Wrangler. Some things you'll need is a pan to catch the oil, the old oil, some rags, some gloves if you want, a funnel to pour the new oil through. My Jeep is a 2013. I looked in my owner's manual and it actually takes 520. You need a 13mm socket and a 24. You don't have to use this, but you can use like a crescent wrench to undo your air filter. There's the air filter I got. Make sure when you buy it that it has a new ring in it. It's probably, I want to say like 12 bucks at AutoZone, and this one was around 35 for both, so that's not bad. Yeah, so when you go in here, you're going to pop this up. It's just held in by these little ball joints right there. There's one there, and then there's one right there. It just pops right up. Just pull up. There's where your oil filter is. And if you go on the other side, there's where your oil is. And it says actually right on the tab, 5W20. So, if you have any questions, I would look back in your manual first, just in case somehow the cap got messed up or something like that. Just look to your manual first, and then look on your cap and my matchup. So, yeah, I know for other Jeep Wranglers, they can take 530. So just like I said, check which one you have. On the Jeep forums, this is the one people recommended, was Mobile 1, so it works great. And yeah, so I'll show you how it's done. Under here, want to make sure your oil pan is centered so it catches all the oil, and this is your oil pan. So you're going to unscrew this. You want to do it slowly. And then you're going to pull it out. So I'll put the bolt on the side over here. So that's draining. Sorry. It's going to take a little bit. So while that's doing that, I'll show you how to take up the air filter. You don't want to happen. So come around. I already started loosening this. This just pulls off. And I already loosened this, like I said, so anyone use your 24 for that, or your crescent wrench. This just pulls out. It's hard doing this one hand, so just be patient with me. I'm going to try and angle it while I'm doing it. So this pulls out pretty easy. Then there's a little O-ring on here, and you're going to take a screwdriver and just pop that off. I'm gonna have to pause it to do it because it's kind of messy, but pop that off, put the new one, it just snaps right in there. I'll put the new O-ring on. So now I got the old O-ring off. You want to use some of the old motor oil to kind of lubricate the new one so it slides on easier. So that's on there. Push it all the way to the top. And here's the new oil filter. All it does is snaps in place. That's pretty much it. So now, all you do is go back in there. It'll push back down into it. And it seriously just turns back in there. It's really simple to do. On the older model JKs, it is the older can style. So, I don't know where that one's located, but I know it's a little bit harder to find than this one. This one's simple. Like I said, though, refer back to your manual. Make sure what oil you have. And then I'll tighten that back up. And then we'll go back down here. All our oil is drained. We'll take a rag. I'll take our rag. Wipe that off. Put the bolt back in. Now I'm going to pause again and tighten that up. Alright guys, and then you're going to pour your new oil into the container. I'm going to pause again so it's not running forever. Alright, so emptied the 1 quart and the 5 quarts. I have that's all tightened up. The old oil's in there. I'll pour it into like a milk jug and clean that out, and I'll pour it back into those containers. Make sure you dispose of it where you're supposed to. I know like AutoZone takes it for sure for free. I'm pretty sure Pep Boys and stuff like that takes it for free too. They'll just recycle it and put it into a container. And yeah guys, that's all you really do. You'll tighten that up, put your cover back on, and then if you want to, if you have your check engine light, 1 second, hold on. So what you want to do is put your key in the ignition, and then you're going to hear the little beeping sound when you first start your car. Wait until that's done. Push your gas pedal down 3 times. You don't have to start it. Just push it down 3 times and you'll hear another beep. Shut it off and then turn it back on and it should be gone. So that's really it guys. Like I said, make sure you dispose of your oil in the right place. Make sure you check which one you have. So there's the gas cap. Oh, I mean gas cap, oil cap. Just right there on the bottom. And yeah, you throw your cover back on, and there's your air filter or your oil filter. Can't talk today. And thanks for watching again, guys. Bye.